Good morning, everyone. This is Srikant Rajan. Welcome back to the Stock Market Podcast from EP-169.com, the only community where you get guided assistance to invest in stock market, bonds, mutual funds, fixed deposits, and all kinds of insurance. If you're not a part of this amazing community yet, visit our website mpiinvest.com to join the free investment community. Coming to stock market, of course, we had a holiday yesterday, but the global markets were still on. But if you look at what happened on the day before yesterday, it was something really amazing. In fact, we could see a big gap up opening at 17,147, and from there, not only did it sustain, but we could see a rally that continued to a high of 17,287 and closed very close to the high at 17,274. So that was something looking really good. And if you look at right now, things are kind of are looking even more amazing. Yes, good that we had actually taken some small risk and that was kind of exited just to ensure our safety. We have actually have taken very safe trades at the Gold Club, and I'm sure we should be happy with that because we are expecting the Nifty to actually see a gap up opening. So let us discuss what happened exactly after Indian markets closed day before yesterday. So if you look at the US market had a huge rally. Yes, day before yesterday, that is on Tuesday, we could see a huge rally happening in the US market, and the Nasdaq was up almost 3% in the day. After that, yesterday, even though our markets were closed, US markets were open and global markets were open, and we could see US market opening with a big gap down. Yes, it opened with a big gap down yesterday, and from there, the market did not lose the power, and we could see a big reversal, and the Nasdaq, Dow, all of them recovered almost, all the losses which were done in the start. Yes, so in spite of such a big fall yesterday, it was down by almost more than 2% yesterday in Nasdaq, but from there it has closed at minus just 0.25%, which means net in the last 2 days it is already standing upwards. So this is something really good for the IT stocks, I would say, and let us look how the IT stocks would perform just before the results. So, as we've discussed, HCL and Wipro results are expected on Monday, the next Monday, and on Tuesday we are expecting the Infosys results. So, based on this, we are expecting the IT stocks to kind of recover because it's been on a major oversold zone for a really long time. Apart from that, if you look at what happened day before yesterday, we could see the FIS have again started buying, and they bought for 1,344 crores, while the DIAs also bought for 945 crores. So net, it was more than 2,000 crores of buying, and that's exactly why we could see Nifty doing good. But then, if you look at today, we are already expecting the Nifty to open with a major gap up. Yes, almost 150 points gap up. We could see SGX Nifty already trading close to 17,420. That means we could see almost a 150 point gap up. So if that happens, that's something really good because our major resistance of 17,400 is actually crossed. But then today is expiry. Yes, the first expiry of this month. So of course there would be definitively volatility, but then along with that you'll also get some good opportunities for making money. So it's good that we've taken some safe positions which will give us good profits for the day and for the week is what we can guess in spite of short week and a puja week. So let's see how things take the turn today. So now with the expiry on the cards, I would say probably with such a big gap up opening, we could see some initial profit booking and then market might recover, and I would say it would be more of a sideways movement is what I am expecting today. But then of course by end of the day there are chances of a small fall. So that's something that I'll look out for. Let's see how the first expiry of the month goes. But then generally, like we discussed earlier in the meeting, October is a good month, and with results starting to come, we could see some positivity in the Nifty, and that's something that we can look forward to. So with all that, I would say for the day, the downside, I would say we could see a very good support coming in by 17,200, and on the higher side 17,500 should be a good resistance. So I'm expecting the Nifty to kind of close the day expiry between 17,200 to 17,550 kind of range. So let's see how the market goes. If it goes as per our view, we should be making some good profits for the day. So that's something that we are looking forward to. And apart from that, yes, after a day's close, markets will continue to be volatile. So let us track our trades carefully. And for investors, nothing to do. Things are looking really good because things are looking positive, and I'm sure we should have a more profitable month this month. So with that, today's Tuesday. So as usual, I'm making this report early. It's already 6:45, and things can slightly change by the time the market actually opens. And but whatever it is, I'll give you the latest updates on the channel, on our community in Discord. So with that, this is Srikant Rajan signing off. But before we leave, do remember to press the like button if you love the content that we share. That motivates us, and not only that, do share this podcast with your friends and relatives to help them learn and invest together with us. Goodbye. Have a very profitable day, and looking forward to a profitable weekend for us as well.